Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Teamwork.com client projects and roles, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your Teamwork.com account. Navigate to the Projects tab on the main dashboard. Select the specific client project you want to verify. Once in the project overview, locate the People section. Click on the People tab to view team members assigned to the project. Review the list of team members and their assigned roles. To verify roles, click on each team member's name. This will open their profile and display their specific role within the project. Cross-check the roles against your project requirements or documentation. If discrepancies are found, communicate with your project manager for clarification. Next, return to the project overview. Look for the Clients section within the project details. Click on the Clients tab to see all clients associated with the project. Verify that the correct client is listed for the project. If multiple clients are associated, ensure each one is appropriately linked. For additional verification, check project milestones and tasks. Confirm that tasks are assigned correctly to respective team members. This ensures accountability and clarity in project roles. Make notes of any required changes or updates for future reference. Finally, compile any findings into a report for your records. You are now ready for effective project management within Teamwork.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.